Julie B says, Empire Dining Room was top-notch, exclamation point, and the food was just delish, exclamation point, exclamation point. Delish indeed.
That time, Jane Yu was so happy she said, happy face, confetti pop, confetti pop, confetti pop. Balloon.
Carrie J says, most delicious lamb I have ever tasted. I'm in love, exclamation point. We're in love too.
Mary Kay says, my favorite dessert was the red velvet cheesecake. It was heavenly. Yum.
Balloon, 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 balloon. Max clinking.
Zebrina W says, the filet mignon was too die for at Nouveau, exclamation point. Well, Zebrina, don't think I die for it, but it's pretty yummy.
Roberta L says, 24-hour pizza is so yummy! Exclamation point. That was our midnight snack. Drool! It's our midnight snack too, Roberta.
Ice cream, ice cream. Rainbow snow cone, rainbow snow cone.
Jennifer just said, OMG, love the towel animals. OMG, I love them too.
Rainbow snow cone, rainbow snow cone. Extra happy smiley face.
Keith C says, I just got off on Saturday and I still haven't found my land legs. I sway occasionally when I walk. Well, I say, sway safe, Keith, sway safe.
Extra happy smiley face. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up.
Amanda F says, best holiday ever. Thank you to all the staff who made our trip wonderful, XX. No worries, Amanda. Thank you too, and for the best Facebook community ever.
Paul F says, Music Manila, Richard the waiter, and Anders dinner service were things I'll never forget. This one goes out to you, Paul F, and the whole Facebook community.
We love you, mwah, mwah, mwah.